Leo, conas atá tú?
Tá mé go maith.
Má fear, cáiltas I do chúnaí Leo?
Tá mé I macónaí chun dé lítrama.
Bailíart. Agus cén comórtas a bhí tusa an inniu?
Bhí mé ag an Scéalaíocht Faoi dóigh.
Scéalaíocht Faoi dóigh. Agus cecha I ráir a leat?
Tá mé go maith.
Yeah, agus win tú grú tú Did you win it?
Se.
Wow! A Russia Dakar.
Ní.
Agus tell me, Leo, when did you start the Seannachí work?
Bhí sé blian go.
Blian a chod, ó chuin, má
chuin.
fear ó hain. Agus bhfuil tú go scéal beag a inseach an scéal a bhaine seagat?
Tá mé ábalta.
Yeah? Cynnyr.
My father never took off his hat, except if he was going to bed or into mass. And my mother said, sure, he slept in the two places. At that time, every man covered their head. There was respect for the brain then, a delicate instrument. As well as covering your head, the hat was a handy receptacle if you were caught short. You could give a feed of oats to a horse out of a hat. You could collect up apples out of the orchard. You could bring in new-laid eggs from the hay shed. You could even put a hen hatching in a hat. Well, a small one like a bantam or a guinea.
Well, mahu Leo Earley. Nima Hima. Go win tú. Congratulations, Leo.